We all know how to make excuses. We can make excuse of the past situation. We can make an excuse also for any mistake which happened from us unintentionally. And we can make an excuse that whatever happened in the future or whatever will happen with us in the future will depend on the destiny. But when you go for an interview, the company takes HR round of interview. In the HR round, company tries to judge your present self, for which you don't have any excuse. So when the company is taking an HR round of interview, they are trying to ask you questions which are mostly factual, which are based on your real self, which are not based on any hypothetical scenario, but are based on what you are today. They will ask you your weakness, they will ask you your strength, they will ask you why do you want to take this job, why should they hire you? And if you give them any mugged up answer, they will immediately understand. You have to be great at it. You need to know the techniques on how you have to answer the questions. So if you understand why companies are taking this round, you are very clear that they are understanding your skills to a certain level. They are majorly understanding your soft skills in this round. They try to understand whether you are a motivated individual. How do you dress up as an individual as well? Because when you are going to work in the company, your physical appearance will matter a lot in front of the client. So in this particular round, you cannot give any excuse that you came in an informal clothing because you did not have your formal clothes washed. So please make sure that you don't give any excuse in this round. I will also tell you, if you have understood till now, that company takes an HR round so that they have a lot of understanding. But at the same time, the HR round helps you as an individual. Where? In understanding the company. So you can also understand and assess whether you fit into the company or not. Whether this is a right fit, whether the role is the right fit for you. You can ask those questions from the HR as well. You can understand the role in detail from the HR as well. And that is why this round becomes important for you as an interviewee as well. And also make sure that when you're going in this round, you are able to sell yourself. This is one thing I'm going to teach you in this entire course, that how can you actually market and sell yourself. When you buy a product, at that time as well it happens with you, right? That you see the packaging of the product. How is your packaging? How are you packaging yourself? That is also something which is very important. So you need to learn how to market, how to sell yourself, because the HR is the final person who is going to take a call on your offer letter, on your salary package, etc. And when you will be at work in the company, you need to have a very good relation with the HR. So it is very important for you even there that you leave a very good first impression of yours in front of the HR so that they remember you forever and you get the job as well. So I hope you have understood why companies take HR round, how does it benefit them and how does it benefit you. So let's get on to the journey in understanding how can we master the HR interview round. Thank you everyone. See you inside the module.